Hello kids, in today's English learning we are going to take up the next topic, digraph CK sound, and the sound is K. K.
To start with your work, you are to write the date, classwork as usual you have doing every day. Sound of digraph CK. C should be kept smaller because it will be placed at the end of the word. So CK, K sound. Let's start with the word. The first word is starting from R capital, R-O-C-K, rock.
Here are the pictures of rocks. Some rocks are very big and some are very small rocks.
This starting with D sound, U-A-C-K, duck.
This is the picture of duck. It lives on land as well as in water.
With C, K sound, O-C-K, cock.
This is the picture of cock. It helps us to get up early in the morning.
Next word we have is starting with L sound, L-O-K, lock.
This is the picture of lock. We lock our house before going out.
Next word is starting with B, B and L, blur, blur sound, A, C, K, black, blur, ack, black.
Black is name of the color. Screen is black.
Next word starting with B again, and next sound is R. Together they will make br sound. I-E-C-K, K, brick, brick.
This is the picture of brick. It is used to make walls of the house.
Word starting with S sound, I-C-K, sick.
This girl is sick. She is being checked by the doctor.
Word starting with P sound, P sound, I-C-K, pick, pick.
This is the act of pick. Boy is picking the balls. Pick a book of your choice and read it.
P sound. Now put A, pack, K, C-K, K sound, pack.
In this picture, the suitcase is packed. This is a gift pack.
Next, starting with F, first sound, R. Together they will give fr sound, O, O, C-K, K, frock.
This is a picture of dress called frock.
Word we have is starting with C, R. Together give kr sound, A, C, K, crack.
In this picture, mirror is crack. The wall is having a huge crack.
In the same way, you will write the second line also, writing same words, starting with from the center line, R-O-C-K, rock, duck, cock, lock, in the same manner. Complete your work. Do it neatly. Thank you.